Academy International, and I'm so happy to share with you this easy series of Christmas carols. In today's tutorial, we're gonna do Joy to the World, Joy to the World. So Christmas is almost here and it's always make me happy. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna play it all the way through it so you have an idea how it goes, and then we will go and practice. I will go to explanation, okay? So let's get started. C major this time, okay? On the left hand, you're not even moving from the C major. You will have the C major chord that I believe you do know. It's C, E, and G played on the same time. And then you have G7 over here. That is the 5-7, B, F, G. So if you don't know which one it is, do practice this a couple of times. You know, just to be easy. So this one, ooh, and then your pinky goes to B, and then these two goes to F and G. So this one are only two chords that you're gonna play, okay? And so up and down, I'm repeating myself again. The wrist gotta be very flexible, do not stay stiff, alright? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm talking about the wrist, right? You see my move, okay? And then you will have a scale of a C major scale. Do look for my tutorial in regarding the C major scale. So left hand is going to go only one octave, simple. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So if you don't know it, just practice this. You go all the way to the G, and then you're going over to finger number 3. So you go over the thumb and then play the next 3 notes, and you are over there, right, on the next C. So this is a C major scale. So I will suggest you to practice a couple of times like this one. And you will have the same thing on the right hand, another C major scale, C, D, E, thumb under, F, G, A, B, and then C again with finger number 1. So you have a set of 3 and then a set of 4 notes, okay? 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna go again, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So practically you have 2 scales, one after the other one. So you're gonna play these scales 2 times. That means you travel 2 octaves. And then the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and end on the 5. You press the 5 only when the scale is done. Okay? So let's go. Let's see what's happening here. I'm gonna start with left hand right now. So you have a C chord there that it stays forever. That means 8 counts, 2 measures, and then you're just gonna have G, F, and E. That's it. G, F, E. That's happening on the first 4 measures. So right now, you do have the scale going down, you know? Just only is like a rhythm. So if you don't know how goes the scale down, do practice C, B, A, G, F, over, 3, 2, 1, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over to the 3, 3, 2, 1, okay? And right now with the rhythm, play by ear. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. So you can just clap the beat. Joy to the world. The Lord is come. So let's do it again. Joy to the world. The Lord is come. One more time. Joy to the world. The Lord is come. So, slow, slow, quick, slow. Quick, go, go, go. Right? So right now let's do it with the notes. Joy to the world. The Lord is come. So you can see that I'm just playing this scale from C to C, but with a different rhythm. So that's why it sounds different. Instead of just doing like that, you just do it with a rhythm. Long, long, short, long, and long, long, long. And right now I'm gonna do it professional, and I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Alright? Let's do it both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. And here we matching. 3, 2, 1. Left hand has G, F, E. And right hand has E, D, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And right now I'm gonna give you the right hand. That is really easy. From here, you gotta move your hand and find the G with finger number 2 and just stay there. G, A, 2, 3. A, B, 2, 3. B, C, and stay long here, okay? G, A, 2, 3. A, B, 2, 3. B, C, okay? So we have it. 2, 3, 2, 3. 3, 4, count. And go, okay? Let us receive her King. And the left hand comes in the scale, okay? So you have 2 times on the left hand this chord, that is the 4th chord. So it's this one is the 1st chord, and this one is an F major chord, but inverted. C, F, A. I've been talking a lot in the other videos about it, so please check the other videos again. Alright? So you have these chords 2 times, and then you have these 2 notes play together, F and G, that is part of this chord. So if you want to play the full chord, kind of full chord, G7, this one, you can do that too. Or just these 2 notes, and then you go to C major scale. So right hand starts and plays the first 2 notes. G, A, 2 times. A, B, 2 times. Or you can go 2 times like that. And then right hand again and match on the C, both hands, and continue with the scale. I'm going again. Let us 2 times receive 2 times her King, and you come in with the scale. Okay? Whew. How is it? Is it hard? I don't think so, right? So stop the video right now. Don't get confused and practice this. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much, and God bless you. The next 4 measures are the same as the first measure, first 4 measures, okay? I'm playing it again. Move on. As I said, it started exactly the same, but it has a little twitch here. So, okay. So you see, did you see what I did? C, C, B, A, G, and I'm switching with finger number 3, the same G, G, F, E. Goes 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. 2 times is going this pattern, okay? In which the left hand doesn't do a thing. It's just doing the C chord. That's it. Switch. Heart, prepare him through. Now, what's happening? I'm going to give you the right hand first, okay? So from number 1, you're going to go to number 3. Same key, that is an E. You see, you just end it in number 1. So right now you're switching with number 3. And you're going 4 times on that E. Actually 5 times, but the 5th time, you just go faster. And heaven and nature sing. Can you see? And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. 2 times, okay? So you match the left hand on the 2nd E, okay? With the 5th on the left hand, you can do the all 3 notes or a 5th, up to you. And heaven and nature sing 2 times. Now we're going further. And heaven and nature sing. Okay? So we have it. F, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay? Actually, the counting is the same, but we do it the same as the how many D's you're playing. So you're playing 3 D's, and the 4th one, it goes faster, okay? 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, F, E, D, 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 E, F, okay? On the left hand, you're gonna have a 6, okay? And then 2 more times the 6. So from the 5th that you did have it before, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Now you stretch your 5th finger down 1 key and go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Okay? 4 and 1, matching on the 1. And then left hand plays. So you're gonna stop the video as we speak right now and practice that part. And after you practice, you do know the drill, right? You're gonna play all the way through it until this part. So let's play all the way, and then I give you the last 4 measures that are extremely easy. A little twitch in here, but then it's nothing to worry about, okay? So we start it from the beginning. gonna start with the right hand. E, B, C, and jump fast to the next C. E, B, C, C, E, B, C, and jump. C, and C, and C. This is how you practice, okay? C, next C. C, and C. A, G, F, E, like in the scale. So you see C, A, G, F, like in the scale. Exactly 1, 3 is over the number 1, E, and then F, E, D, C. Yes, you gotta practice that scale. You know, look for my tutorial. It's an easy tutorial. You're gonna get it right away, and it's exactly in this song. It's up and down the scale. So let's go again. E, B, C, jump. C, A, G, F, E, F, E, D, C. Let's do the rhythm a little bit. E, B, C, C, A, G, F, E, F, E, D, C. And heaven and nature sing. Alright, so do clap couple of times. If the rhythm is not quite in there, clap couple of times. I'm going one more time with the right hand, and the left hand is only have a G, the chord that is the G7, and we practice at the beginning of the tutorial, and then you have the last chord in C major, and this is it. This one, and then this one. But I'm still gonna go one more time with the with the right hand. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and go. Quick, slow, 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 slow. So you match it here. Quick, quick, slow, jump. And G, F, E, F. Here you jump. Here is one note that they're matching, and then this one they're matching, and C. You gotta go all the way from the beginning and practice and stop the video. It's just have a little tiny bit here that, as I told you, as we practiced at the beginning, it has two scales, plural. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You stop in C again. Slow, quick, 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 slow. And then again, quick, 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 slow. Again, slow. And then go further. E and C, so it's not a fifth, it is a sixth, 2 times with the left hand chord. And you can add the pedal at that moment in time to feel the joy of the world. I'm playing again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. And you can do a little ritardando and pedal down here. That was fun. I so joy to the world. Christmas is here. I'm very happy you watched this video, and I'll see you soon with my next video on Christmas. Thank you so much. Check all the others before that.